Welcome to my channel by Dr.G.R. In this video class, we see about other type of problem that is inclined to HP type. In the previous class, we have seen about inclined to VP type. First, let me read the problem. A line AB has its end A 40 mm above HP and 25 mm in front of VP. Its length has 50 mm when it is viewed from the plan view. The line is inclined to 40 degree to horizontal plane. 40 degree to horizontal plane means the full length, true length will be visible only in the vertical plane. So 40 degree to horizontal plane and parallel to vertical plane. Draw its projections and find the true length of the line. This is the problem. Here, this is shown for example, the full completed drawing. We will see, however, step by step. Now we see the problem step by step as given steps here. That is, the first step is draw the XY line. Second step is mark point A dash in vertical plane, mark point A in horizontal plane. So draw the XY line first as given in the data. First draw the XY line and then mark point A dash at 40 mm above the horizontal plane as given. That is above the XY line in the vertical plane. Draw the same projection extension vertically downwards as shown here, so that the another projection point on horizontal plane falls as shown here, that is point A, that is below the XY line in the HP. Since the line has inclination of 40 degree to HP, the actual length or true length can be seen as drawn only on vertical plane when it is viewed from front view, but plan view would be shorter in the length on the horizontal plane. This concept, as we have already discussed, should be first understood. Hence, to draw this as per the procedure, since the line is parallel to vertical plane given in the problem and plan view length also given, draw the horizontal line on the horizontal plane and parallel to XY as shown here from point A to a given problem length of 50 mm. Mark the other end of the line as shown here B. That is the next step. Next, to project the image by line to vertical plane, that is above XY line from point to B as shown. Now draw small parallel line to XY line at A dash. Now measure at A dash 40 degree and draw a inclined line as shown. Since the line is 40 degree inclined to HP is given in the problem, which should be shown only on the vertical plane. Since the actual length given in the problem is not known, now we get a meeting point of this line to the vertical line drawn already from B. Mark this meeting point now as B dash. Measure this length and this is the true length or actual length of the line which has been asked in the problem is measured and it has been written here as 66 mm. This length must be maintained in the drawing sheet separately as shown. Now check for all dimensions are marked and the two images of the line on horizontal plane and vertical plane are shown dark color with HB pencil. Other lines should be thin in nature with 2H pencil. No colors are to be used or sketch pencil etc. are not permitted. Here it is shown only for easy visibility. Okay, problem is over with this. In the next class we see the other problem. Subscribe to the channel without forgetting, and this is by Dr.G.R. Thank you.